When you think of food, what comes to mind? Maybe a delicious cuisine served hot with some wine to wash it all down, or just a simple street food. For these 7 people, food goes beyond just burgers and fries. They prefer something that looks more like this.
I eat toilet paper from the second I get up in the morning. Sometimes before I even brush my teeth.
These addictions are real. I promise I'm not making this up. That being said, here are 7 people with the most unusual food addictions. Let's go. Number 7. While you are here getting addicted to things like soda, ice cream and chocolate, Bria, who is 19 in this video, is addicted to eating sand.
I just love the crunch.
To Bria, no snack beats the taste of sand. She even has special ways of eating it.
It's always good on top of food, like a seasoning or something. I've taken a tortilla chip, dipped them in sand and ate them, and it gave the chip the best crunch that I've ever got in my entire life.
Her addiction started years ago at the beach when she accidentally got sand in her mouth. You can't make this up.
I eat it when I go to my room, when I'm walking to class, when I'm reading a book. Before I go to bed, I put like a pinch in my mouth.
Number 6. Meet Jennifer, a woman who eats about a square foot of mattress every day.
My name is Jennifer, and I'm addicted to eating mattresses.
According to a video published by TLC, Jennifer has managed to consume more than 8 mattresses since her addiction began. Now, we don't know if those are double beds or queen-size beds, but she eats about 8 every month, and that is unusual. By the way, that's not her mattress she's eating, it's her mom's, and the only reason she is eating her mom's
is because I ate my mattress already.
Jennifer's addiction began when she was just 5. She found a way to successfully eat the seat of her family's car without anyone noticing it until it was too late. Number 5. While we're still on the subject of everyday things people are addicted to eating, meet Robert, the man addicted to eating plastic bags.
My name is Robert, I'm 23. I live with my fiance, and I'm addicted to eating plastic bags.
While we're over here making pancakes and toast for breakfast, Robert is serving himself with different colors of plastic bags.
I start off my day by eating a whole bag. It's chewy, it's malleable, and it's just delicious.
I don't know about you, but I've had a piece of plastic in my mouth before, but I never had it for breakfast. Addictions can be hard to break, and Robert certainly needs help. Number 4. Okay, we know pregnancy can take the weirdness meter in women to a whole new level. Some pregnant women have insane food cravings, mood swings, and indecisiveness. But for Keisha, she's addicted to the smell and taste of baby diapers.
My name is Keisha, and I'm expecting my first child. And I love sniffing and chewing dirty diapers.
Keisha isn't joking around. Just as you might like pickles in your burgers, this is what Keisha wants in her diapers.
It has to have pee in it. It has to have pee in it. The heavier ones that have more pee smell better.
Number 3. Bianca was once addicted to eating pottery and cigarette ash.
I'm eating pottery 2 to 3 hours a day.
According to her mom, even as a child, Bianca would sneak out to eat dirt. Years later, she's moved on to a new unusual addiction. You guessed right, she eats chalk now.
I'm now addicted to eating chalk.
After becoming a mother, she felt she had to set a better example for her kids, so instead of her usual pottery or dirt addiction, she is now addicted to eating chalk, even to the extent of licking her palm in front of her kid.
The flavor is just very earthy. It tastes like dirt.
Now that right there is a kid who is concerned about her mom's mental health. While we're still here trying to wrap our heads around why someone would prefer sniffing baby diapers to sniffing their own armpits, Evelyn is here serving herself with some ice-cold air fresheners.
I love it. Absolutely. What I love about drinking air freshener is the taste.
Evelyn drinks about 20 cans every week.
My fiance thinks I'm crazy.
Does he?
I literally crave it. In the last 3 years, there's not a day where I've not had it.
That's wild. Fortunately, Evelyn is self-aware of the dangers of using a product meant for external use internally. She is also keeping her strange addiction a secret from her 2 kids. Number 1.
I'm 19 years old and I'm addicted to eating laundry detergent and soap.
Tempest, a 19-year-old college girl, got hooked on eating soaps and detergents. Growing up, Tempest had always enjoyed the smell of laundry detergents, which for some strange reasons have a calming effect on her. Now that she is 19, she upgraded her addiction from just smelling it to eating it. According to her doctor, her addiction could lead to ulcerations in her mouth, throat, and stomach.
Me, I basically mean I feel refreshed. And so if I feel refreshed on the outside, why not feel refreshed on the inside?
Now, which of these addictions is the worst? Do share with a friend on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X. As usual, I'm your host Murphy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay amazing, stay safe. Peace.